None of you motherfuckers.
Do y'all hear some? Do y'all hear some?
I'm confused right now, G.
Welcome back to Cooking with Sangwani. Last time we were making nice smash burgers. Today we're gonna make another type of burger. This time, pub burger. I like burgers from pubs, so no brainer, right? So I already made a burger, so we already got started here. Can you see that? There it is, right here. I already buttered our bread. I grilled some onions. If you can't see, I grilled some onions there. And we're gonna toast our bread. Holy shit, that's hot. But yeah, as you can see. So now that our bread is toasting, we got our onions grilled. We're gonna prepare our meats. Right here, we got a nice 90 lean, 10 fat piece of beef, which we're going to shape into our nice little. And what you want to do is place a nice divot. So shit will happen. I don't know if you saw it in the video. Let's put the burger on. I think for maximum goodness, let it sit on each side for 4 to 6 minutes, or until you see the crust forming on the bottom. Right, Mom? And now it's time to flip the burger. So take a nice little spatula here, and with one hand, just go in. Oh, all of this. Gonna get a nice. Oh, it came out perfectly. Look at that. Look at that. Nice little char on the top. Hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Stop. Okay, I guess it's time to flip our burgers now. Or my burger, you ain't doing nothing. Alright, nice. Looks fine to me. Let me just set this back down. Oh! I'm gonna definitely start from this side up. Look at that beautiful boy. Last and certainly not least, I'm gonna put some barbecue sauce on the bottom bun. I don't know why, but I have it. I'm not gonna put a lot though, because it might just ruin the entire burger. Yeah, I guess all that's left to do is place a beautiful boy on that. And holy God. Look at this. Look at that. Then that. Now that is a. I can't even see the meat. Now that is a burger that looks homemade. That sounds like an insult. I'm gonna show it to my mom. That's my mom's opinion on things, that I'm too fat. Now, usually you'd serve it with fries or something along the lines of that, but I don't got that. So I'm just gonna eat it by itself. But what type of burger would this be if I don't do a cross section on it? So let's just. Is that even the okay? Slice right on into that. Right onto there. The bun came off by mom. Just put that back. No peeking. It's not fully cut though. Are you ready for this? 3, 2. That look good than a you know what. Let's take a chomp. This is so good. I didn't even use exact ingredients or anything. I just eyeballed it. It came out so good. As long as you have enough ground beef, you can make it work. As long as you know what you're doing. You don't need like special type of cut. 80-20, 70-30, or 90-10 like I used here. Comes out really good. The barbecue sauce was really good. Caramelized onions, really good. Maybe a nice juice test. Oh my Lord almighty. This has been a pub burger. Okay, that's gonna end that. Very good burger. Nice and juicy. 10 out of 10 would definitely recommend. Adios.